In this session, we are going to learn a new structure. The new structure is I am thinking of. I am thinking of. After I am thinking of, we have to use V1 plus ing form. V1 plus ing plus something. This is the structure. I am thinking of. I am thinking of. After we have to use the first form of the verb. After first form of the verb, we have to use ing form. V1 plus ing form. Okay. Now let's see how we can use this structure. The usage of this structure. This structure is used to express that you are considering doing something. This structure is used to express that what you are considering that you are going to do that thing. Okay, for this purpose, in this sense, we have to use this structure. The structure is I am thinking of. Now let's see some examples. I am thinking of. After I am thinking of, we have to use V1. Okay, I am thinking of going for morning walk. I am thinking of going for morning walk. I am thinking of ordering pizza for my dinner. Ordering pizza for my dinner. I am thinking of taking a day off next week. I am thinking of taking a day off for next week. I am thinking of starting a new business. I am thinking of cleaning my room neat. Cleaning my room. I am thinking of learning communication skills. I am thinking of starting a new business. Already we have used. Okay, sorry. I am thinking of joining in a new course. I am thinking of meeting my parents in the airport. At the airport. I am thinking of joining in a gym. I am thinking of going to the concert. I am thinking of going to the concert next month. I am thinking of buying a pet. I am thinking of taking a photography classes. I am thinking of learning digital marketing. I am thinking of buying a new car. I am thinking of taking my friend's mobile. I am thinking of going to the park. I am thinking of getting my hair cut. I am thinking of creating a website. I am thinking of writing a short story. I am thinking of learning French. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next session.